Hello students, I am Shikha Kapoor from Kendriya Vidyalaya Hathras. Today I am going to present class 3 EVS chapter Sharing Our Feelings. Before we start the chapter, let's discuss the target learning outcomes of the chapter. Qualities possessed by physically challenged people. Disabilities of people, their special place of reading, writing and moving from one place to another. Learn about Braille script. Sensitized towards old people. Now let's start our chapter Sharing Our Feelings. Hi friends, I am Seema. After returning home from school, there are two people with whom I like to share all my news. They enjoy listening to my tales. The first person is my Nani. She is always anxious to listen to me. She waits for me to return from school. She is quite old and often has back pains. She cannot see or hear well. Every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her. She does the rest of her work herself. If someone tries to help her, she gets very upset. Though she cannot see properly, she is very fond of cutting vegetables. Okay, students, tell me, do you help old people? Yes, you do. Like being a caretaker for them, spend time with them, support your elders by listening to them, help them feel useful and needed, encourage regular physical activity, help them stay connected with family, friends and community, and many more. And now the second person is my Ravi Bhaiya. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. The students of the college respect him a lot. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music and taking parts in plays. He enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them. Bhaiya carries a white stick when he goes out. Looking at him moving around in the house, no one can say that he cannot see. He likes to do all his work himself. If someone tries to help him against his wish, he gets angry. Whenever he needs any help, he asks for it. Bhaiya has many other books too. The pages of these books are thick and have rows of raised dots. He reads by running his finger on the raised dots. Bhaiya recognizes not only me but all the other family members from the sound we make as move. He can even tell whether I am happy or sad. There is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot see. It is called Braille. It is written on a thick paper by making a row of raised points, dots, with a pointed tool. Braille is read by running the fingers on the raised dots. You have seen that Ravi Bhaiya reads special types of books. How were these books made? Who first thought of these books? Let us find out about it. Louis Braille belonged to France. One day, when he was 3 years old, he was playing with his father's tool. Suddenly, a pointed tool hurt his eyes. He lost his eyesight. He had keen interest in studies. He did not give up. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. Finally, he found a way, reading by touching and feeling. This way of reading later came to be known as the Braille script. Now we will do some activities related to the chapter. You read in the story that Ravi Bhaiya cannot see, but he does all his work on his own. He studies from a different kind of books to understand how he is able to do his work. Close your eyes and play this game. Let's play a game. Our first activity is blindfold any one child in the group. One by one, blindfolded child come near the object and has to guess the object. This activity will sensitize the children towards the difficulty faced by the people who cannot see. In the next activity, using the Braille alphabet, students have to write their name. For example, a student named Riya. This is how we write her name in Braille script. In the next activity, we use sight word sign language where there are different signs for different alphabet. Students have to guess the alphabet as well as the word using these alphabets. Okay, student, now guess the alphabet and word. Yes, the word is var. Hope you like the video. Thank you.